The more time spent worshipping false gods, the less time spent worshipping the true God. When two forces unite, their performance doubles. All my discoveries were made in answer to prayer. If you think as hard as I do, you'll get the same results. No great discovery has ever been made without a rough guess. Truth will always be found in simplicity, not in abundance or confusion. Gravity explains the motions of the planets but cannot explain what made the planets move. I can calculate the movement of heavenly bodies but not human madness. Plato is my friend, Aristotle is my friend, but my best friend is the truth. I am just a child to you playing on the beach, while the vast oceans of reality stand before me. For every action there is always an equal opposite reaction. My powers are normal. Only my application brings me success. If I want to see more than others, I will stand on the shoulders of giants and look. The proper way to inquire about the properties of things is to discover them through experiments. We know that which is a drop, and what we do not know is an ocean.